Heat Glo gas fireplace troubleshooting, quick fixes and tips. If your Heat Glo gas fireplace isn't working, check the pilot light and gas supply. Ensure the thermostat is set correctly. Heat Glo gas fireplaces are popular for their efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Despite their reliability, they can sometimes encounter issues. Common problems include the pilot light going out, irregular flame, or the unit failing to start. Regular maintenance can prevent most of these issues. Cleaning the logs, checking the gas supply, and ensuring proper ventilation are essential steps. For more complex problems, refer to the user manual or contact a professional. Troubleshooting your Heat Glo gas fireplace ensures it operates safely and efficiently. Proper care extends the lifespan of your fireplace, providing warmth and comfort for years. Heat Glo gas fireplace common issues. Gas fireplaces are efficient and convenient, but they can have problems. Understanding common issues helps in troubleshooting and fixing your Heat Glo gas fireplace. Let's explore some frequent problems and their solutions. 1. The pilot light is crucial for your gas fireplace to start. 2. If the burner doesn't ignite, Heat Glo gas fireplace safety precautions. When troubleshooting your Heat Glo gas fireplace, safety comes first. Take these precautions to ensure your safety and the proper functioning of your fireplace. 1. Gas leak detection. 2. Proper ventilation. Heat Glo gas fireplace pilot light problems. Having trouble with your Heat Glo gas fireplace? Pilot light issues are common. They can cause your fireplace to stop working. Let's explore some common pilot light problems. 1. Pilot won't stay lit. 2. Weak pilot flame. Heat Glo gas fireplace burner ignition issues. Experiencing issues with your Heat Glo gas fireplace can be frustrating. One common problem users face is burner ignition issues. These issues can manifest as either delayed ignition or no ignition at all. Understanding and troubleshooting these problems can help you get your fireplace working again. 1. Delayed ignition. No ignition. Heat Glo gas fireplace thermocouple issues. A common problem with Heat Glo gas fireplaces is thermocouple issues. The thermocouple is a safety device. It senses the pilot flame. It stops gas flow if no flame is detected. Troubleshooting thermocouple issues is essential. This can ensure your fireplace works efficiently. 1. Testing the thermocouple. 2. Replacing the thermocouple. Heat Glo gas fireplace cleaning and maintenance. Maintaining your Heat Glo gas fireplace is crucial for its efficiency. Regular cleaning prevents malfunctions and extends its life. Follow these steps to keep your fireplace in top shape. 1. Cleaning the burner. 2. Cleaning the pilot assembly. Gas fireplace remote control problems. Remote control problems can be very frustrating. If your Heat Glo gas fireplace remote is not working, don't worry. Here are some steps you can take to fix it. 1. Remote not responding. 2. Syncing the remote. Heat Glo gas fireplace professional help. When dealing with a Heat Glo gas fireplace, professional help can be essential. Some issues need a certified technician for safety and efficiency. This section helps you decide when to call a technician and how to find a certified professional. 1. When to call a technician. 2. Finding a certified professional. Frequently asked questions about Heat Glo gas fireplace. How to reset Heat Glo gas fireplace. To reset your Heat Glo gas fireplace, turn off the unit and wait 5 minutes. Then, turn it back on. This will reset the system and clear minor issues. Why won't my Heat Glo fireplace ignite? Check the gas supply, ensure the pilot light is on, and verify the ignition switch. If these are fine, you may need professional help. How to clean the pilot light on Heat Glo. Turn off the gas, remove the pilot assembly, and clean it with a soft brush. Reassemble and turn the gas back on. What does error code 11 mean on Heat Glo? Error code 11 indicates a flame failure. Check the gas supply and pilot light. If the issue persists, contact a professional. Conclusion. About Heat Glo gas fireplace troubleshooting, your Heat Glo gas fireplace can be simple with the right steps. Regular maintenance ensures safety and efficiency. By addressing common issues, you can enjoy a warm and cozy home. Keep this guide handy for quick reference. Don't forget to consult a professional for complex problems.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit hellotroubleshooting.com.